Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Rishalan here, and today I'm actually going to cover a stock called Thai Beverage. So basically, this stock is actually listed in Singapore Stock Exchange and also Thai Stock Exchange. And this is actually one of my, not exactly one of my favorite, but I was just looking at this recently only. It seems like this stock has actually touched 50 cent. Just imagine the price that we can actually got it in 2018, and also the price where it got plunged during COVID period. But COVID period it plunged so badly until 45 cents. So just imagine at this point of time you're actually getting 50 cents. Do you think this is actually a bargain, or it is actually going in a downtrend? But if you take a look precisely by weekly, this guy is actually going into a downtrend. So by all means, it is actually giving me a lower high. Did you see here? It's giving me lower highs. It doesn't actually break. But if you really think that this guy is actually going forward into a uptrend, then it has to break this 54 cents. So if you check it out, if you check it out over here by technical analysis, if it breaks 54 cents, by all means this guy would actually go all the way above and break. Maybe it would test 60 cents, then right after that 65 cents, then thereafter is 70 cents. And yeah, so do you think this is actually a bargain at this point of time? Probably at this point of time 50 cents should be a good price at this moment, because this is actually a good demand at weekly. And let's check it out on monthly chart. Yeah, if you check it out on the monthly chart, this is actually a very good, to be frank, this is actually a good price. So for those who have actually managed to catch this 50 cent at this point of time, I think it's a bargain. You guys can actually keep it as like a long-term stocks for this, but somehow we need to know how is Thailand economy is actually doing. So let's check it out on the let's check it out on the income statement and other stuff. Hold on a second. Yeah, let's check it out on the financial statement of this company. So this company actually has a market capitalization of 12 billion. Can you imagine? It has 12 billion Singapore dollar, and the dividend yield is 4.71. I think this is pretty good for having a capital gain of stocks with market capitalization of 12 billion and dividend given is 4 point more than 4.5%. I think this is actually a very good deal. And somehow if you take a look on the debt ratio, let's go for statistic. Debt ratio, it's around 0.42. It is actually, this is actually very good. It's pretty much good. It's been doing very well since 2020 until 2023. Yeah, this is actually very good. 0.42 is very good. As usual, that means if let's say the DAB is actually very high, then if it is more than one, then I think this company is at the risk. But at this point of time, if you look at the total revenue, but I don't really see the total revenue. Let's check it out on pre-tax income. I know pre-tax income's pretty much, it actually plunged a lot by, it's not plunged a lot, I think it reduced by 2.2%, somehow reduced by 2%. But if you look at the net income, it actually giving us only, it delivered only 436 million. Yeah, I think this is actually very bad. Normally it would give at least half a billion. Normally it should give half a billion. I mean, for me I was expecting half a billion, but due to this economy period which is uncertainty, I believe overall you would actually see it as yeah, pretty much 436 is expected. And let's take a look how is the Thailand economy is recovering from increased tourist arrival at this point of time. If you take a look in 2021, 2022 is pretty weak, but 2023 it started to actually pick it up, and you would actually see 15 million people have actually arrived in Thailand, and these are the top 5 province income from foreign visitors, and the top one definitely Bangkok. Bangkok and Phuket, I think they're the most dominated one, but somehow if you take a look, foreign tourist arrival by month, it is actually picking up very well. So hopefully it would actually pick up, it would go more than this as expected. And on the other hand, if you see it, I'm surprised Malaysia is actually top tourist. I thought it was China. That's the reason I think right now Thailand, if not mistaken, waive all the visa arrival for China, if not mistaken. And the third is South Korea, fourth is India, and the fifth is Russia. So if you take a look from these statistics given by Deloitte, so I think we still see hope that this stock would actually it would actually try to break through this 54 cent soon. And if it actually break 54 cents soon, and also you are getting about 0.0717 cents of dividend, I think this would be around 3%. Yeah, it consists of 3% of dividend out of 4.7%, but because on the subsequent dividend, I think you'll be getting around with 0.018, yeah, around 0.006. I think it's pretty small. Yeah, the bigger one is normally during February. Yeah, I think the bigger one is during February. Yeah, the smaller one is actually in the in May. Yeah, so I think if you guys actually interested to really accumulate a small portion um, of of shares from this company, I think it is a good time for you to actually take it. But somehow you have to understand, if it actually break below 49 cent, yeah, I think this is something everyone should be aware that it might actually plunge further down. But I doubt it would actually plunge further down, because 50 cent would be the best price for these stocks at this point of time. So anyway guys, if you guys really interested to actually purchase this stock, yeah, by all means do check it out on this. I think this is actually a pretty good deal for you guys to accumulate right now. Adios guys, take care.